Party held there is under court order to get out of the party business.
Yeah, the property is in a residential community, and neighbors complain about noise and other activities. City officials tell Fox 5's Morris Diggs they have taken an aggressive stance to make that owner and others comply.
A party so spectacular, TMZ was drawn to it and gave it airtime. It's the property in the heart of Buckhead that neighbors label a spectacular nuisance, given the noise and sometimes adult activities taking place. For how long?
I've been dealing with this particular house for over 2 years.
If I had the authority to do so, I would simply padlock the front door shut and let them sue me.
Howard Shook, a member of City Council who is also a neighbor, does not have the power of this judge, Christopher Portis. The chief took action in late October, issuing this order against owner Alexander Popovich. Mr. Popovich put his signature on the document, entering a no contest plea.
So that means they're not admitting guilt in this case, and they're staying quiet on their guilt or innocence. And the court doesn't have to accept that plea, but it did, but added some conditions.
That from an outside attorney not involved in this case. As for Mr. Popovich's attorney, Ryan Williams says his client is a good citizen who just happens to know a lot of people.
There's so much crime going on in the city of Atlanta right now. I think the resources of the news and the resources of APD is better served by going out and actually stopping some of the crime that's occurring across the street.
Now, look at what happened 35 days after the judge's order was signed. A party with a college-style band out in the front yard of the same home. The Buckhead neighbors cannot be satisfied. But so-called party houses are not simply a problem for Buckhead. Carla Smith represents the Grant Park community.
I had gone in my pajamas one night to a party and the police broke it up like at 3 o'clock in the morning. So I don't like the party houses either.
Popovich's attorney says his client is not running a business. He has a lot of friends. I'm Morris Diggs, Fox 5 News.